Should I do cardio or strength training for weight loss?
This is one of the most common questions I come across. Should you focus on cardio or strength training for fat loss? Let's understand this today. Cardio training helps you burn calories during the workout itself. It improves your heart and lung health, increases stamina, and allows you to stay more active throughout the day. However, one limitation of cardio is that once the workout ends and the body returns to rest, calorie burn reduces significantly.
Still at zero.
Strength training, on the other hand, works differently. When you perform resistance training, your muscles require more energy not only during the workout but also after the workout while recovering and rebuilding. This means your body continues to utilize calories even at rest, supporting metabolism throughout the day. Relying only on cardio along with extreme dieting can often lead to a weight loss plateau. To achieve sustainable results, the most effective approach is to combine strength training along with cardio. Now, let's look at some effective exercises that support weight loss and overall fitness. Number 1. Cross lunges. This is excellent for lower body toning. Number 2 is spot jogging. It's an ideal cardiovascular warm-up. Number 3. Burpees. Target muscles are full body: chest, shoulders, quads, glutes, and core. This helps in maximum fat burn and cardio. 4. Plank, alternate toe touches. This helps to build dynamic core stability. Fifth is plank shoulder taps. It targets core, abs and obliques, shoulders, and triceps and improves core stability. A balanced combination of these workouts can help you burn fat more effectively and move towards a leaner, stronger, and healthier physique. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more such videos, please subscribe and click the notification button.